This is my daughter. Loves Christmas in the middle of the spring.
All right, now I'm doing the penguin one. Here, oh, there we go. Here we come a caroling along the leaves so green. Here we come a wandering so fair to be seen. Love and joy come to you with a few tidings there. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year. Okay.
She's a girl after my own heart.
Is the Christmas.
Because I love Christmas.
Oh my gosh. It's going to take forever to find the Christmas tree. There it is. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
Hi.
How lovely are your branches, and beauty green will always grow through summer song and winter snow. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches.
Hi, Talon.
Did you like that?
It was so beautiful.
Want me to do it again?
Hi.
Want me to do it again?
I am actually going to close off, but I did want to get one more. What's that cuvee? You got that ball? Yeah.
That's the halls of thousands, holly.
And that's 2 minutes in the life of Kateri, Talon, and Cuvée. And we love Christmas in the spring. Say bye.
Music changes, I carol, la 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 la.